Hello everyone, I am Mira R. Kalinawan, a fourth year BS Custom student here in the University of the Visayas. I will be showing you the study space in our house. In this video, you will witness how we transform an old space into a new normal way of learning. It is my pleasure to share with you the whole story on how we made the study space from scratch to finish. Watch and be amazed. This is my kitchen. Our plan before the pandemic is to convert this old kitchen into a music area since everybody in the house loves music. But because of the pandemic, we need to change our plan. We have to adapt the new education system or the new normal way of studying. Since it is an online class, we need a spacious space and a conducive place where we can set up our computers and gadgets. We use personal computers, laptop, tablet, and smartphone as our basic tool to connect to the internet for our online classes, whether it's via Zoom, Teams, Google Classroom, or others. This kind of system needs an area in the house where we can comfortably study and definitely a space away from noise in order for us to be comfortable. This old kitchen fits to the requirements we are looking for. Why I choose this area? The most of the students prefer to study in their bedrooms, but I want to have my study space outside. Why? Here are my few reasons. Number 1, easy monitoring. I am not only a student pursuing a bachelor's degree, but a mother with kids. I want to study and learn with my daughters beside me. Actually, our sitting is like we are in one classroom but with different teachers. As a parent, I am held responsible for the things they are doing, especially in this computer age, which is a click away from the websites and it amazes you to what the world can offer. Number 2, save electricity. This is an open area. We don't need to use an air conditioning system. We want to maximize the use of fresh air. Number 3, easier to set up the computers. It is near the outlets and the internet router. How we decided the design? I am thinking of a design that we may be able to use our available resources so that we can reduce the cost. I choose the industrial design. For lesser cost and at the same time it is easier to convert. We have scraps available like tubular steels, old drawer slides. All we have to buy is the plywood and of course the paint. I will show you everything from scratch to finish, meaning to say from design, build, even how we set it up. Remember, we are in the pandemic. We will do something to lessen the cost of the study table. So we come up a do-it-yourself study table. This is how my husband designed the table. We have to make it sure that there's no trial and error. We draw it first so that it will be easier for us to make the table. After designing, my husband starts to cut the steel tube and then assemble and weld it up. By the way, this is one of my husband's hobbies. setting up. We have UPS or the uninterrupted power supply, AVR, auto voltage regulator, we have our webcam, microphone, and headset. This is network setup that allows sharing of files in each computer. We have printer switch. Each computer can use the printer without pulling and transferring the printer's cable from using the printer switch. We didn't use the printer sharing network setup because the computer host must be turned on always. By using the printer switch, you can use the printer anytime without the host computer. This will save electricity also. This is the spare cable for the laptop to print. And finally, it's done. The table is enough for me and of course with my classmates beside me. We need to have this kind of setup for more effective study place during the new normal way of learning. We have to adjust and cope with the changes going on.